Hey everyone, this is Terry from Terry's Philippine Journey. We're down here and there's one of the cornfields, many cornfields that's up in the mountains and around here. So going to finish up the story on our corn harvesting. So once they get it, they hand plant it and it grows, and then we hand harvest it and put it in bags and bring it down the mountain. Rosie here bought a corn sheller, they call it. Takes the corn off the husk. And so that's what these guys are doing down here today. So just wanted to share it. I don't know how close we get because it's very noisy. So I may have to shut up and go back in and out of it. So that's what they're doing here. So all these bags of corn would be filled up on the mountain. So you can see it way back there. It comes from one of them hills over there on the top. And then they drive it back over the little dirt trails like this here. That goes up to our house. Our house is back here. It's the little bluish green roof there in the middle of the picture right now. But they come down the mountain on this trail on motorcycles, and they have about 4 bags tied to each motorcycle, and they bring it down here, stack it up, and they run it to this machine, and they're filling up the bucket there. They're going to rebag. We're going to take it over here to where they dry it. After they shell it, they put it on tarps or concrete. A lot of times it's on tarps because you can't have corn on the dirt. And they'll put this out in the sun and rake it around back, excuse me, until it dries. And then they're going to put it back in the bag, and then from there they drive it down to town where they sell it to a person that probably dries it and then ships it here and there, grinds it to whatever product's needed. But they're doing this process twice a year all over the mountain. I think I breathed in some sheller there. But that's the full story of the harvesting corn in the Philippines. It comes from the mountain over there on motorcycles, 4 big bags on each motorcycle. So it's probably maybe 160 pounds on a bike or more. So it might be a couple hundred. They stack it somewhere like this. That's also once they're done, they are rebagged. Dried over here. They dry they lay it out in the sun and dry it for a few days. And at night they'll take this rocks off and they're folded over to keep it dry from any rain or moisture that might occur. This may be corn that's all ready to go to the market, probably somebody else's corn. Here's the scale so they know how much it weighs. So I think this one's all ready to go to market, probably. There's the scale. So that's how they know how to sell it and pay the workers by how many kilos they got. So very interested. So that's interesting. That's corn shelling in the corn harvesting time in the Philippines, and they're due twice a year because there's never a winter here. So like in America, there's just one season. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Jerry and Rosie. There's Rosie. Thanks for watching. You may hold on there. The guy just drove by. I don't know if you've seen that. Come down. Here, I'll just let you watch. Here comes the guy. That's how they come down the mountain. He's hauling corn. So that's actually what they do to come down the mountain. And there might be 6, 7 guys coming down. Here comes another one. So he's come down from the mountains over here. He's got 4 bags on there. Each bag weighs about 60, 80 pounds. There'll probably be some more here shortly. All right, thanks for watching. That's it. So that's corn harvesting and shelling